All right, so to replace the either the prop seal or the O-ring that's at the back of the carrier, you got to remove the prop, and then there's two different things holding the carrier from being unscrewed. So there's just that screw right here, this Torx head, and then there's a tab in there. Focus. You can see it right there, kind of like 11 o'clock. It's got a 3/8 head in it, on it, and then it's got a little finger that holds the housing from unscrewing. So those two things have to be removed, and then you can unscrew it counterclockwise, you know, with your homemade tool. It's got all these edges real clean. I think these drag in the housing maybe. Then actually put the whole thing in the ultrasonic cleaner. Make sure all the threads are clean. Get the seal grease, O-ring grease. Alright, so this is my piece I made. It's a 2-inch ID conduit and then 2-inch water pipe coupler. I did bevel out the inside a little bit. I don't know if that was actually necessary or not. And cut the notches with an angle grinder. I don't know exactly what I did that made it easy, but I did use like brake clean and Scotch-Brite and clean out the inside really well. You can see how I removed it. I don't recommend doing that. But when I put it in, I'd say like 80% of the way by hand, like no issue. And it did like the last maybe 3/4 of a turn, you know, with the pipe wrench. It went in pretty easy. And I put this in an ultrasonic cleaner, used a Dremel on it, you know, like a wire brush Dremel, and this got everything really clean. The threads really clean, inside the housing really clean. And so I quit. I quit when it got tight, but I can also see where the holding tab imprint is that I'm lined up with that. So I know I have it back where it is, and there's no slop forward or back. So I think I got it in a good spot.